Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to delete or clear a localization or a local transform from your FieldGenius job. Please keep in mind this won't affect the points you have already shot inside your local transform. It will simply remove it for any future points. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to head to the bottom left corner and select my plumb bob icon. And from my menu here, I'm going to click Survey Tools and then my GNSS Local Transformation option. And that's going to bring up my GNSS Local Transformation menu. And from within this menu here, you can see that I could modify my parameters. I can add control points, delete control points, all that kind of thing. And if I go into my Modify Control menu here, you can see that I have a single control point added. And if I wanted to, I could delete this control individually. But let's say you have multiple control points and you don't want to go through the hassle of deleting them one by one. What you're going to want to do is back out of this menu here, and you're going to hit the Reset Parameters button there at the bottom, and it will give you this warning asking you to confirm that you would like to continue resetting all GNSS local transformation settings. And what you're going to do is you're going to click yes, and that is going to delete any localization you had in the job. And you can see here my GNSS local transformation menu is actually back to what it would be if I had no localization or no local transform inside my project. And that is everything for today's video, and I would please ask you to take a moment to subscribe to our channel. It really does help us out quite a bit and lets me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.